Meaning of HFC.
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 HFC. HFC stands for hydrofluorocarbon, which is a type of synthetic greenhouse gas used primarily as a refrigerant in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. These gases have been introduced as a replacement for the ozone-depleting chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs. However, HFC emissions contribute to global warming because they trap heat in the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. As a result, efforts are underway to phase out HFCs under international agreements like the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol, with alternatives like natural refrigerants gaining popularity.